Good morning class, welcome to St. Peter School. This is a science class and in previous class we were doing question and answer of chapter 2. So all the students are requested to take out your books and take out page number 186. Okay, so in last class we have done up to the question number 5 part 3. So today we are going to start with the question number 4, fifth 4. So first question is what body cover do snails have and how does it help them? So how you will write your answer first of all, what body cover do snails have? So the answer is given in your book itself. So turn the page number 181. Turn the page number 181. You will see the second paragraph, 186 second paragraph. It's written here, snails have hard and strong shells as a protective covering. So what the snails have? Snails have hard and strong shells as protective coverings. So you will write directly your answer from here. I have already also denoted here fourth first part what you will write, snails have hard and strong shells as protective covering. Now second question is why, how does it help them? So you will write again, take your answer, start your answer from the question only. In question you can see what is written here. So in question it written here, how does it help them? So you will start your answer like this, it help them as when an enemy attacks, enemy attacks, these animals withdraw into their shells. When an enemy attacks, these animals withdraw into their cells. That's all. That's all your answer. So fourth, this is fourth first part and this is fourth second part. You will write your answer. Okay, you will answer, continue your answer. It helps them as when an enemy attacks, these animals withdraw into their shells. Okay, now move to the next question. Next question is question number fifth part. The question is what is camouflage and why it is necessary? What is camouflage and why it is necessary? So first of all you will write what is camouflage. Camouflage definition is given in your book only, in on the page number 181, same page where we got the answer of question number 4. In the same page you can see it's written here, some animals have a special body covering that help them merge with their surroundings. This is called camouflage. So you will write your answer first, fifth question, fifth first part. What is camouflage? You will write your answer from here. Some animals have a special body covering that help them to merge with their surrounding, and this is called camouflage. So first part is written here. You can write your answer from here. You can denote your answer. Question number fifth. Okay. Now in fifth only the question is given in two parts. You can see. Turn the page. Come to the question and answer. You can see that the question is given in two parts. First is what is camouflage and second is why is it necessary. क्यों ये necessary होता है? So how you will write your answer here? You can write your answer like this. It helps them to hide from enemy by adapting similar color of surrounding. It helps them to hide from enemy by adapting similar color of surrounding. Okay, it helps them to hide from enemy by adapting similar color of surrounding. Why this is so? As camouflage क्या होता है, जब for example there is a green worms used to stay on a green plants, green leaves, so that they can easily hide between the green colors. So that is only called the camouflage. So ये camouflage features help them to hide from the enemy. Now question number 6, what is migration and give two examples. What is migration? Give two examples. Simply you will turn the page again and you will come to page number 182. The answer is written here. What is migration? Many animals travel in groups to far off places to avoid bad weather, to find food or to reproduce. This movement is called migration. So you will write directly your answer from here. Fifth का sixth part. Many animals travels in group to the far off place to avoid bad weather, to find food or to reproduce. This movement is called migration. Now second part of the question is asking for the examples. So you have two options. Either you just name name, either you just name what are the example for migrating animal, that is eels and Arctic tern, और यू कैन राइट योर आंसर इन लिटिल बिट डिटेल कि आप बता सकते हो कि कैसे माइग्रेशन होता है. एज द आर्कटिक टर्न ट्रैवल्स फ्रॉम आर्कटिक टू अंटार्कटिका ट्वाइस अ ईयर. दिस इज फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. And second example, eels are the freshwater fishes. They travel to sea to lay eggs, and when the eggs hatch, the young ones travel back to the ear. You can write your answer in this way if it is possible. If you feel that the answer is too long, just write down the two examples. Just write down the name of that animals which used to do migration for a short term. Okay. Now again, question number 7, what is hibernation, and give 2 examples of hibernating animals. So again you will write your answer in one line only, where you can find this answer on the page number 183, last line, where the new now I know few points, important points are given in yellow color box. So in last line you will find out the what is the definition of hibernation. Some animals remain inactive during winter, and this is called hibernation. क्या लिखेंगे? Some animals remain inactive during winters, and this is called hibernation. In simple one term, one line, you can write the definition of hibernation. Now again the examples has been asked. So you can write in the examples has been given here. Some animals such as lizards, snakes, frogs, etc. cannot bear cold. During winters they sleep in their holes and burrows under the ground. जब बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी होती है, so then these animals used to go hide in a burrows, and when the temperature is suitable for them, then only they used to come out, and this process is called only the hibernation. So you can write your definition of hibernation from here, and you just give the examples of the name of that animals which used to do hibernation, which go under the hibernation process, that is lizard, snakes and frogs. Okay. In this way, your question number 5 is completed. Now move to the question number 6. Okay. In question number 5, you have adapted one-liner answer. It's okay. But in question number 6, you have to write little bit more. थोड़ा सा आपको आंसर का फॉर्मेशन यू हैव टू डू इट बाय योर ओन, सो दैट आंसर शुड बी ब्रीफ एंड इट्स लाइक it should contain 3 to 4 points additional from you. Okay. So first question is, why do animals in forest have good sense of sight and hearing? So how you will write your answer? You will start your answer from the question only. Animals in forest have good sense of sight and hearing because it helps. Again, for your help only, and turn the page number 177. 177. Okay, so answer, it helps them to detect and escape from their enemies. Who is enemies? Enemies are the hunters who come to the forest to hunt them, that are enemies. So you can write your answer like this. Like a strong sense and sense of hearing and sight helps them to detect and escape from their enemies who comes to the forest to hunt for hunting them. First line. Second line, you also add your line like it helps them to survive. Okay. And how it helps them? It helps them to survive for a long. Another point you can add, it also helps them to chase the other animals for their food. Like they can sense their and other animals for their food. You can add your points कि उनको ये भी help करता है कि वो detect कर पाते हैं कि there is some another animals who can be their food. So it also helps them in that way. So you can add here 2 points. First of all, it helps them to protect them from enemy, and second, it also helps them to find for their food. Okay, that's all for today. In next class, we will continue with the question and answer again of the question number 6 only. There are 4 question more left in the question number 6. So we will continue with the question and answer in the next class also. So till the time, what you are going to do, start writing question and answer in your notebook. Start learning it and go through the chapter thoroughly so that you can understand all the terms very clearly. So till the time, take care. Bye-bye.